And we're beginning our coverage with all the politicking that is going on in West Bengal ahead of the assembly elections, and that row over the claims that have been made by Mamata on her attack have now reached the election commissioner's door. A 6-member TMC delegation is going to be visiting Delhi EC office to meet the officials at 12 p.m. today. Ahead of their visit, TMC faced a major setback as the EC rejected the memo submitted by the party. In its reply, EC said the memo is full of aversions, insinuations that questions the very foundation of EC, and has sought a report from West Bengal Chief Secretary on the accident. Meanwhile, TMC continues to question the transfer of West Bengal DGP, has also denied the claims of Mamata's car door hitting an iron pole. BJP demands releasing of Mamata's accident-recorded footage in public domain. TMC and BJP delegation met with State Election Commission team in Kolkata over Didi's injury.
हम भी ये चाहते हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन जो उम्मीदवार के साथ वीडियोग्राफी होती है उस वीडियोग्राफी को सार्वजनिक करना चाहिए। और मैं समझता हूं कि ममता जी ने ये कहकर कि मुझ पर हमला हुआ है, पूरे नंदीग्राम की जनता का अपमान किया है और नंदीग्राम की जनता इसका चुनाव में बदला लेगी।
बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, लोकतंत्र कमजोर होता है। ममता बनर्जी न सिर्फ ये कि मुख्यमंत्री हैं बल्कि एक महिला हैं। उनके साथ इस तरीके का व्यवहार गलत है, जितनी निंदा की जाए इतना कम है।
My colleague Preeti Chaudhary earlier spoke to Derek O'Brien over the Election Commission rejecting their memo. Listen in to what Derek O'Brien had to tell my colleague.
EC has said that it is, it hasn't taken over law and order in the state, that it is being accused of malpractice, and the EC says it finds it undignified to respond to allegations that things are being done at the behest of a particular party.
Listen, this party, what you see is what you get. This party, the Trinamool Congress, was also written 2-3 weeks ago to the EC saying one of those gentlemen shouldn't be in the EC. So please, let me not make too many comments on the EC. It's an institution. We respect the institution. I don't want to get into individuals, but we've said this before, that we have to cherish, we have to nurture our independent institutions in India. So when I say something like the BJP have got, Shiv Sena have left them as an ally, Shiromani Akali Dal have left them, and they've got other allies, I don't like saying it. It makes me sad to say these kind of things. But if political parties today and if the people of India don't get together, we need to cherish, nurture, build, I would dare say rebuild and strengthen these institutions. Otherwise,
so how
this
is
is
right now
not the India which was conceived in 1950 with the Constitution. So we will, the EC, people are watching. People are watching what is happening. Do you know, if you want to go into the details, before the DG was removed from Bengal, one political party, no guesses for answering, how many letters they wrote against him? This is like a, now you have a troll army. So we don't want to get into these details today. Please allow me that little privilege, because less than 100 meters away from here, one of the most empowered, one of the most self-made, one of the most passionate, doing what she stands for and believing in what she does, she is lying there flat on her back on a hospital bed.
Let's now bring you the war of claims versus the counter claims as well. And there is a war erupting over all these claims. Let's walk you through what the TMC's charges are first. They're going on to say it's a conspiracy to kill Mamata Banerjee. The EC's rebuttal is right here. The EC says memo full of insinuation, aversions as well. Let's walk you through what is the second charge by the TMC. Says EC removed Bengal DGP a day earlier. The EC's rebuttal, DGP not removed without consultation. Third charge by the TMC, cop removal to help attack on DD. The rebuttal coming in from EC right there. Memo questions EC's functioning. So this is the claim versus the counterclaim. Indrajit Kundu, who is joining us reporting from Haldia, is getting us up to speed with the very latest. Indrajit, what is your expectation now in the middle of the claims that are coming in and the rebuttals that are coming in from the EC? What next?
Well,
Well, it's claim versus counterclaim as far as, this entire incident is concerned. Trinamool Congress, of course, coming out strongly refuting, the statements that have come in from sections of the BJP that it was nothing but an accident and it's being, portrayed as an attack, because the Trinamool Congress leadership categorically states that as is being reported by a section of the media and is being claimed by the BJP, that Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister's car, hit a pillar on the road. The Trinamool Congress yesterday showed visuals of a car saying that there's no dent, not even a scratch mark on the front door of the Chief Minister's car, refuting the claims that it was an accident and the car rammed into a pillar. The Trinamool Congress has reiterated its position, what Mamata Banerjee has already said during the incident, saying that there was a lot of crowd and few people actually slammed the door on her, following which she got injured in that process. So Mamata Banerjee recuperating in the hospital, and a TFC delegation on its part is on its way to New Delhi today. They will be making their representation before the Election Commission of India, because the Trinamool Congress has already alleged that there seems to be a pattern and a conspiracy to attack Mamata Banerjee.
And Indru, continue to stay with us while they are going on to say that there is a fair amount of controversy, etc. Mamata released a new video from the hospital yesterday where she said that she got injured when a crowd pressed against her, and that's how she got injured. Did not repeat the conspiracy charge either. Listen into what she had to say.
4-5 आदमी ने मैं गाड़ी का इधर में खड़ा होकर रोक कर रहा था 4-5 आदमी ने मेरे को गाड़ी पूरा बंद कर दिया और पाँव हमको पूरा चोट हो गया देखो कितना पुल कहाँ आपको चोट लगी है दीदी पूरा पुल गया दीदी क्या कलकत्ता वापस जाएंगे अभी जा रहे हैं अभी बहुत दर्द हो रहा है अभी জ্বর আমি সবাইকে বিশেষ করে আমার যারা কর্মী ভাই বোনেরা আছেন এবং সাধারণ মানুষ আছেন এটা ঠিক যে কালকে খুব জোর আমার লেগেছিল এবং আমার হাত পায়ে চোট আছে বোন ইনজুরি আছে লিগামেন্টে আছে আর কালকে আমার মাথা এবং চেস্টে খুব পেনও হয়েছে এত বড় একটা চোট লাগার পরে আমার গাড়ি বনেটের উপরে আমি দাঁড়িয়ে নমস্কার করছিলাম ন্যাচারালি তখন এমন জোরে চাপ আসে যে তাতে আমার পুরো গাড়িটা চেপে যায় আমার পায়ের মধ্যে এই অবস্থায় আমার কাছে যা ওষুধ টষুধ ছিল সেগুলো খেয়ে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমরা কলকাতার দিকে রওনা হই এবং তারপর থেকে ডাক্তারদের চিকিৎসাধীন আমি আছি আমি অনুরোধ করব আমার সকলের কাছে যে সকলে শান্ত থাকুন সংযত থাকুন ভালো থাকুন আর এমন কিছু করবেন না যাতে মানুষের কোনো অসুবিধা হয় আমি আশা করি 2-3 দিনের মধ্যে আমি আবার নিজের ফিল্ডে ফিরে যেতে পারবো তবে হয়তো পায়ের প্রবলেম থাকবে কিন্তু আমি ম্যানেজ করে নেব আমার মিটিং আমি কিছুই নষ্ট করব না বাট হয়তো আমাকে কিছুদিন হুইল চেয়ারে করতে হবে সেটা আপনাদের সহযোগিতা চাইবে
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.